ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of PayFocus's Mars Vac S1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner because it's not only versatile and powerful, but because I want to show you why it's been such an excellent investment for our home. So this is a lightweight cordless stick vacuum with powerful suction for hardwood floors, tile, carpet, and furniture. It has a runtime of up to 55 minutes and comes with several swappable heads for all different kinds of surfaces. But we got this vacuum for a couple of different reasons. The first is we have different types of floors and we wanted something that would vacuum effectively on all of them. Second, because we've got kids who are constantly making messes, but they often drop stuff on the ground like food and crumbs and other stuff that are just heavier to pick up. So we needed something that was powerful enough to pick up heavy debris. And the third reason is because we have a dog who is shosho awesome, but he sheds all the time. And so we wanted something that would also effectively remove his hair from our furniture, carpet, and rugs. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, just go and buy this vacuum. But if you need further convincing, let's talk about the swappable heads in Cyclone, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. So this is your workhorse. You'll use it 90% of the time. It works on all floors, hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up like fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush. Simply pressing this button retracts back and protracts forward the brush head, which is good for like removing dust from dusty surfaces and soft furniture. Then you have this extender wand that by pressing this button here actually extends and shortens the wand, transforming it from like a stick vacuum to a full-blown upright handheld vacuum. And then finally you have the Cyclone. So first you have this little button here that if you press releases the dustbin door to empty out the dustbin. But then if you press on this button here by the handle, it allows you to remove the dustbin completely to both wash and rinse out. It'll also provide access to the filters. Then, to access and clean the filters, you simply remove the dustbin, and then you yank on this little pull tab to remove the filter. You'll take this part, run it under water, and rinse it off. Let it air dry for 24 hours, and then you simply insert it back in, wedge it into place, and then you're good to go. Then it comes with a removable battery that slides in and locks into place under the handle and trigger. And then pressing the trigger, it'll actually activate the Cyclone and illuminate the LCD screen to show you how much power you have left and what you're actually using. And if you press this button here, it'll switch it from eco mode to turbo mode. A couple of fun features is that on eco mode, I can vacuum my entire house, all floors in one session. Our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. And what I'll do is occasionally switch it to turbo boost mode to pick up heavier debris or crumbs or stuff that's, just like lodged in carpet and rugs. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. So just be sure you're standing over a trash can and then you'll just press the button here. It'll swing the door open and then just giving it a couple of pats, and if necessary, a grab or two, empties out most of the remaining debris, and then you simply close the lid until it locks into place, and you're good to go. Charging it is pretty simple as well. Simply plug it into this little port found here, and if it's still attached to the Cyclone, it'll illuminate that LCD screen, indicating how much charging it still needs to reach 100%. But you could also remove the battery as well to charge separately from the Cyclone for, further convenience. So if it isn't obvious by now, this thing picks up fine debris without issues, works great on carpet, hardwood floors, and tile. It takes like 4 hours to charge the battery and allows you to easily vacuum to your heart's content. So yeah, it's great. Especially for that length adjusting wand, because now I just use all my kids to vacuuming and I'm teaching them to clean up their own messes at the same time. So that's my product overview of PayFocus's Mars Vac S1 cordless stick vacuum cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in my video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or heart on the video. Over and out.